Do you know heart muscle cannot generate well after a heart attack? Connective scar tissues replaces dead muscle, and that part of the heart never beats again. Watch more of this video, the rest of this video on animal histology, that is the study of tissue.
Think of animal histology as the study of the fabrics that make up a body. If you look at a house, you see walls, wires, and pipes. If you look at a body under a microscope, you see different types of biological fabrics, tissues, woven together.
These tissues work together to make organs like the heart or lungs.
Here is a breakdown of the four main fabrics of the animal kingdom. Connective tissue provides support and structure, containing cells like fibroblasts on minimate extractions. Epithelial tissue, the body's wrapper. This layered structure forms a protective barrier, covering and lining the body's surfaces and cavities. Its stratified layers provide strength and resilience against mechanical stresses. Epithelial tissue is like the plastic wrap or wallpaper of the body. It covers the outside skin and lines the inside of every tube and cavity. Functions. Protection. It acts as a barrier against germs and physical damage. Absorption. In your gut, it grabs nutrients from food. Secretion. It makes up glands that sweat, produce oil, or release hormones. Simple squamous cells are thin and flat, resembling floor tiles. They are found lining structures like lung alveoli, where their thinness allows for efficient gas exchange. This simple structure is key to their function. These are found where substances need to pass through quickly, such as the air sacs in your lungs. Stratified squamous. Many layers of flat cells. These layers protect underlying tissues from damage and dehydration. The cells mature as they move from the base to the surface. Found in your skin or the lining of your mouth, where there is a lot of wear and tear. Columnar, tall, pillar-like cells. Found in your intestines to help absorb nutrients. Connective tissue is the body's glue, holding organs, muscles, and bones together. This network provides structure and support throughout the entire body. Without it, the body would lack cohesion and stability. This is the most diverse group. If epithelium is the wallpaper, connective tissue is the lumber, glue, and packing peanuts that hold everything else in place.
Loose connective tissue is the padding that holds your skin to your muscles.
Fibrous connective tissue. These are your tendons and ligaments. Tendons attach muscle to bone, and ligaments connect bones. Tendons connect muscle to bone, and ligaments connect bone to bone. Think of them as heavy-duty biological ropes. Adipose. This is fat. It stores energy and acts as a shock absorber. Fluid connective tissue. Blood is actually a tissue. It connects your lungs to your toes by carrying oxygen between them. Supportive connective tissue, bone and cartilage. These provide the hard frame, the studs of the house.
Please comment on this video, like, share, and subscribe to help us grow this channel, as well as staying tuned to watch our next video on muscular and nervous tissue. Thank you.